Hello and welcome to IBC English. I'm Salman Durrani. I always have a counter argument on the things happening around, and today's argument is on the UN General Secretary Antonio Guterres' visit to Kartarpur Peace Corridor, and it is very welcoming, very appreciating that the UN General Secretary is appreciated Pakistan over the peace efforts. Okay, very well, but I'm not feeling very peaceful. How could I feel peaceful and very safe after the very recent event? The bomb blast in Quetta happened yesterday, taken 10 lives, and this very horrible event has just followed by the Ehsanullah Ehsan escape from the security agency's custody, and it is a very questionable thing from the state, the policies of state. If Ehsanullah Ehsan has escaped by an agreement or not, the question is valid, and the state has to be answerable to the people who the power actually belongs to. So no, I guess no, we just have to question what the social media campaign is telling us, that after the single statement by the UN General Secretary, Pakistan is very innocent and Pakistan is doing all well. No, I have some concerns, I have some questions to you as well. After that very single statement, do you get the job? Do you have all the concern fixed about the economy of Pakistan now going well? No, I guess no. Is democracy is on the rail back? No, I guess no. And of course the freedom of speech, the very important thing which we journalists and social activists are concerned about. We are not free at all to speak against any of the wrong policies of state. Will face some sedition cases, will face oppression, will face any wrong consequences on questions asking. This is the very dangerous and very alarming situation Pakistan is going through, and Pakistan is going to. This will not be in very favor of the country. The freedom of speech, the democracy, the democracy should prevail. The democracy should prevail along with all those facilities to the people, along with the freedom of insurance of freedom of speech. The UN General Secretary also asked the government of Pakistan to ensure all these things to the nation of Pakistan, the people of Pakistan. The people of Pakistan, the power actually belongs to. Thank you.